How to withdraw money from Uber wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back. In order to withdraw money from Uber wallet, you can follow up this method. So open up Uber wallet on your screen. After that, you may head over to the account tab in the bottom right, tap on it, and then after tapping on it, here you will be finding a profile and an option called wallet. Tap on wallet option, and then after tapping on wallet, here you should be finding your cash and everything. So in order to get the amount deposited, you need to select the bank account or debit card where you want to add it. So you may select the payment method, and once that is done, you may head over to cash out and select up the amount that you would like to be transferred, and then confirm by tapping on the confirm option in the button, and you should be able to withdraw money from the Uber wallet. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.